Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This lecture covers key ethics and civics MCQs focused on Constitution of Pakistan and moral philosophy. And each question has been selected to strengthen your knowledge of constitutional articles, councils and ethical theories and often tested in competitive exams. So by practicing them you sharpen both your legal awareness and your ability to analyze ethical dilemma. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं लेक्चर और अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। हमारे पास फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द काउंसिल फॉर्म्ड अंडर आर्टिकल 153 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1973 इज नाउन एज नेशनल सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल, काउंसिल ऑफ कॉमन इंटरेस्ट, नेशनल इकोनॉमिक काउंसिल और फेडरल शरीयत काउंसिल। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी में काउंसिल ऑफ कॉमन इंटरेस्ट। आर्टिकल 153 ऑफ पाकिस्तान 1973 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एस्टेब्लिशेस द काउंसिल ऑफ कॉमन इंटरेस्ट टू रिजॉल्व फेडरल प्रोविजनल डिस्प्यूट and it ensures cooperative governance on shared resources like water and energy, and other options refer to different bodies with distinct roles. Next question है the council of common interest consists of how many members? 5, 6, 7 or 8? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी 6. The CCI comprises 6 members including the Prime Minister, 3 provisional chief ministers and 2 federal ministers, and this structure balances federal and provisional representation. The number is fixed under Article 153 to ensure effective decision making. Then next question है हमारे पास the Council of Common Interest is worked under which ministry? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Inter-Provisional Coordination, Ministry of Interior or Ministry of Law? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है Ministry of Inter-Provisional Coordination. The CCI operates under the Ministry of Inter-Provisional Coordination which facilitates its role in resolving inter-provisional issues, and this ministry ensures smooth federal provisional policy coordination. Then next question है who is the current chairman of the Council of Common Interest? इमरान खान, हमीदा मिर्ज़ा, शहबाज शरीफ या आरिफ अलवी? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी शहबाज शरीफ. As of September 2025, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif chairs the CCI as mandated by the Constitution for the sitting PM. The CCI meets to address resource dispute and policy coordination. Then next question है कि Supreme Judicial Council formed under Article 209 of the Constitution consists of how many members? 3, 4, 5 or 7? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी में 5 members. The Supreme Judicial Council under Article 209 has 5 members. The Chief Justice, 2 senior Supreme Court judges and 2 senior High Court judges. It investigates judicial misconduct. Next question है कि which article of the Constitution deals with the formation of Supreme Judicial Council? Article 208, Article 209, Article 210 और Article 211? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी में है Article 209. Article 209 of the 1973 Constitution establishes the Supreme Judicial Council to oversee judicial conduct, and it defines its composition and powers for accountability. Other articles cover different constitutional provisions. Next question है Urdu is national language of Pakistan is provided in which article of the Constitution? तो इसका सही जवाब है हमारे पास ऑप्शन बी में Article 251. Article 251 declares Urdu as Pakistan's national language, promoting its use in official and cultural context, and it also allows for regional languages preservation. The next question है हमारे पास Islam is declared as a state religion under which article of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973? तो इसका सही जवाब है हमारे पास Article 2. Article 2 of the 1973 Constitution declares Islam as Pakistan's state religion, shaping its legal and cultural framework, and it underscores the country's ideological foundation. Other articles cover different aspects of governance. The next question, emergency may be declared under which article of Constitution of Pakistan 1973? इसका सही जवाब है हमारे पास ऑप्शन बी में Article 232. Article 232 empowers the President to declare a state of emergency in case of war or national crisis with parliamentary approval, and it allows temporary measures to address threats. Other articles do not apply to emergencies. The next question है President of Pakistan is empowered to appoint Chief of the Army Staff under which article? तो इसका सही जवाब है हमारे पास ऑप्शन डी में Article 243. Article 243 grants President authority to appoint the Chief of Army Staff and other military chiefs, and this ensures civilian oversight of military leadership. Other articles cover different appointments. So you have now reviewed a powerful set of MCQs on civics and ethics. So after completing these MCQs, review each question carefully and note the areas where you need more clarity, and consistent practice will not only prepare you for MPT 2026 but also improve your understanding of governance and moral decision making. So stay committed and keep testing your knowledge with daily practice.